If you feel 10 habits for a year can be extremely overwhelming, which frankly they can be, and if you want to make only one change this entire year, or at least one change that you want to begin with, let this be the change. Just incorporate this change and you'll see a complete different shift in your mindset, in the way you approach money and the way you operate with money. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja, founder of Paycheck to Profit, India's first YouTube channel, and now very soon to be an absolute community helping participants, readers, viewers manage their money, get their money mindset sorted, get rid of their money blocks, and get financially free eventually. The idea is Paycheck to Profit is a platform, it's a community which will help all people getting associated with the brand to get their money mindset sorted at the start and eventually learn about investing, get financially literate, and get financially free eventually. So if you're interested in that, and if you'd really like to manage your money better, or if you would like to know how you can improve your mindset about money, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'm making 10 videos every month. And this month, every video is going to give you one habit that you can change about your money management in 2021, which will help you improve your relationship with money. I would like to say this video is the easiest to implement and the most effective in a way, because here the only thing that you have to do is dedicate half an hour to listening to an audio piece. The audio piece that I'm talking about is a piece which I have uploaded on this YouTube channel way back in September. It's called The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale. Now, Earl Nightingale, let me just give you some sort of perspective. Earl Nightingale recorded The Strangest Secret for a group of salespeople way back in 1920s or 1950s, and after he gave that speech, The Strangest Secret ended up becoming a piece which was sold in millions of copies. And till today, I haven't come across something so powerful, something so precise, something so impactful that has helped so many people at a stretch. So what The Strangest Secret actually does is it gives you a different perspective about money. It gives you a different way or approach towards how you look at money, how you look at value, how you look at multiple things in your life, the way your attitude works, the way your thinking works. If you are somebody who questions everything, if you're skeptical, if you're somebody who sort of looks at the negative aspect of every situation, The Strangest Secret will help you improve the way you look at life. And I'm not just kidding you, this is not something that has just been extremely useful for me. I know of multiple friends who have recommended The Strangest Secret to, and they completely vouch by it today. On my channel, I have literally transcribed the entire Strangest Secret, which is a 31 minute piece, and every word that Earl Nightingale says in his heavy accented voice, and this was recorded way back in the 50s, so the recording equipment also wasn't the best as compared to today. I have transcribed the entire piece with help of some of my friends, and that entire piece is available to you for free. Believe me, I have invested multiple hours only in making that video, and if you just watch that video for 30 days without any exceptions, without any excuses, with an open mind, you have no idea how powerful that can be for you. I really would recommend, request, plead, and absolutely implore you to watch The Strangest Secret on daily basis. And do not forget to hit the comment section and tell us what exactly is it that you found from The Strangest Secret. If you've been listening to it for some time, if you have been recommended The Strangest Secret by me, and if you've just known about The Strangest Secret even before you got to know about it through Paycheck to Profit. I'm really telling you, this is going to be extremely powerful. Don't take it lightly, and you're going to thank me later the way I thank my mentor, Siddharth Rajshekar, who's got me connected to The Strangest Secret. It's very simple, it's very easy, and you really cannot get something simpler than this. Watch it, listen to it on regular basis, and you are not going to regret it one bit. I hope it works much better for you the way it has impacted my life. Please recommend The Strangest Secret to every person who you know, and you will see a definite change in their life. I hope you really see the value in this. If you've liked this video, please like it. Please share it across all social media channels so that more and more people can get to know about Paycheck to Profit, about this video, and can get associated about or get to know about the Stranger Secret. You'll find the link to that video in the description also below, so please watch it. That's about it from me in today's video. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Kaching!